What's up, YouTube family? This is your girl C. Michelle with my very first YouTube video. I'm so excited. I would like to thank everyone who has already taken the time to subscribe to my channel. Although I did not create any content, you believed in me and you knew that I was interested in creating content, and you took the time to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for that. I look forward to bringing you content that you will enjoy. My channel will be about all things me. I am into DIY projects. I love home decor. So I will be sharing with you how I decorate my home, as well as health and beauty, healthy living. I am currently on a healthy living journey, and I have been very successful on it. So I would love to share that with you as well. And finances and investing. I would love to share some tips and tricks with you. And I also look forward to you bringing me ideas for content that I could create in the future. The vision that I have for my channel is for it to be a platform and a tool used to help motivate, inspire, and empower one another to move to the next level, whatever that level may be. So again, I look forward to you being a part of my family. I would love, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, if you would take time to subscribe to it. And I would also like you to leave a comment. Let me know what you think and hit that notification bell so that you are alerted whenever I make new content. For right now, I will be promising a video once a week. And once I get more comfortable with creating videos, my goal is to create a video every day. So please, again, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Give me some positive feedback. All right. So thank you so much, family. I love you. This is C. Michelle, and thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.